Welcome to today's video where I will be showing you how I make a scrunchie from scrap fabric from a previous project. This print was too beautiful for me to throw away any small piece, so I decided to cut out 22 inches by about 5 inches and a piece of thin elastic which was about 8 inches long. So the first thing I did was to turn the fabric band inside out and sew across the length of it in order to create something like a tube casing. I turned that casing right side out in order to expose that pretty blue print. The next step was for me to insert the piece of elastic into the casing using a safety pin. I like to just pin the tail end of the elastic onto the fabric casing so that it doesn't move while I'm inserting the rest of it in. Once I reach the end, I then either tie the elastic ends together in a very secure knot, or alternatively, which is what I prefer to do most of the time, I sew the two edges together a couple of times just to make sure that it doesn't unravel once the scrunchie is complete. If you like what you're watching so far, please remember to like, remember to share this video, remember to comment, and most of all, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So in addition to securing the elastic ends together, I also went ahead and I sewed together the open edges of the casing so that I completed my scrunchie. And that's really all there is to this project. There's the scrunchie all complete, as you can see. Looks so pretty. You could either use it to accessorize your hair, or alternatively you could just put it on your wrist and let it look nice with your outfit. It's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will give it a go and have fun making lots and lots of scrunchies. Bye for now. See you in the next one.